Our Imam is a child. Can we pray Taraweeh behind him? In a hadith in Sahih Bukhari, when we learned that a community found a 7-year-old in their midst who knew more Quran than they all did. And so they made him their Imam. The 7-year-old was made their Imam and they all prayed behind him. And so there's no problem with a young child being the Imam as long as some conditions are met. Of them is that the child is aware that he has to have wudu and not break the wudu and leads the prayer in a good manner. So if the best person that your community has is a young boy who has memorized the Quran and his tajweed and recitation is the best, then there's no problem. As well, if you find a young man, maybe 10, 12 years old, just to encourage this boy to learn more, or you want to show that we have somebody who's doing the Quran and he does 2 rak'ah maybe, and just as an encouragement, this is all permitted. It is not a necessary requirement that the Imam be perfect in tajweed, but the goal is that the best person is chosen. And if occasionally somebody who's not necessarily the best is chosen for another reason, it is permitted as long as the Imam understands what it means to be an Imam. And so yes, it is permitted for a young boy to be the Imam, especially when he is the most qualified to do so.